Hello everyone again, this is Renee with True Circle Farms. This is the flats that I have started off with. They're coming along. Like I said, this was the saffron, not doing anything. It's a practice crop. Now I got pak choi and collards and a whole flat of collards, and they're leaning toward where the sunlight was coming through. It's coming through this window blind that I have, but now I have this light that's right at them now, so we're going to see how that turns out. But for right now, everything is coming along in my office garden, my hydroponics office garden. This is how I'm gonna start them out. But just want to give you guys a update on what I'm doing. You have a blessed day.